Then moved back into my edges. I did nothing. I told you I was going to come back and show you how I took this lace off from my last video where I showed you how I put it on with half Ghost Bond and half Bold Hold. So make sure you check that video out if you haven't already. I'm going to show you how I take this lace off safely and how I clean my lace off and my updated review for the Bold Hold and the Ghost Bond. So you be the decider of which glue is best for you. I'm going to give you my review, so just keep on watching. Let me show you my lace first. Let me show you my lace. So, and this always happens on my Bold Hold side, and this side is my Ghost Bond side. But Bold Hold, which is the glue I always use, and I thought it was just me, but the Ghost Bond side is just fine. But Bold Hold definitely starts to slide back. It might be when I'm in the shower and I take a hot shower or something, and it might get loose. The glue might get loose, and then it slides back and then kind of holds right back, like it, because it's still on my head. But I have to take this off. That's why it's only been 3 days, but I have to take it off because it's sliding back into my edges. My lace was once right here, and right now it's back here, and you're going to see this is my hairline right here. And remember from the video, please watch that video, it was all the way up here. And the Bold Hold always does this. I don't know, like, and it's still, like, my install is still on. It's not lifted or nothing like that, but the glue has melted, moved my lace back, and then kind of went back in place. So I'm going to show you my lace right now, and then I have to take this out my hair. So this is the Bold Hold side. And if you remember, I showed you where my hairline was back here and the glue was up here. Like, I purposely put it way before my hairline, and right now it is still on, so it's set again. Then moved back into my edges. I did nothing. Ghost Bond side didn't move back. It's supposed to be up here. This one moved. The only thing it could be is me being in the shower, so that's my assumption. I don't know, but we gotta get this out of my edges ASAP. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and start lifting this up to where I can see little spots of where it's already kind of lifting up to give me some leeway. I do need to clip this back. When I take off my lace, I try my hardest not to put it in any of my hair, so I don't have to wash my wig. I don't have to wash my hair. I can just wash the lace and like the hairline and be fine. Make sure you clip it back so it's not just everywhere. It's not alcohol, nothing getting there. I do have the Bold Hold remover. I did put it in this alcohol bottle because I lost the squirt top, so it was just open and I needed something to put it in. So this was the old one that I put it in. This is Bold Hold remover, and probably just, I'm not gonna lie, it is a little mixture because it is in this bottle and it smells like alcohol, but it is the lace remover. My review on the lace remover, it is bomb. It's like an oil. It's like, it just is smooth. I feel like that's probably safer to do because it is like a soft oil. It's probably softer on your edges. You can just kind of rub it out. With alcohol, it's just way quicker. So we're gonna be using alcohol. I'm gonna use both today, actually. I'm gonna be using both. I just got a sock. I saw it from Sochar channel and Sochar channel. And honestly, this is what I've been doing. But I'm not going to put my whole hand in there because this nail is coming undone. It hurts really bad. I get my nail appointment on Saturday. I should have did it today, but anyway. 91% alcohol is better. Well, it's quicker. The actual alcohol that I actually get, the 91%, this one is way more effective. It comes with this little spray bottle right here, which is perfect because if you wanted to just spray it directly on your lace and let it sit first, that's what I'm actually going to do right now. I'm spraying just a little bit. This is the Bold Hold remover. It's definitely soft. Yeah, this is definitely, because it has a distinct smell. It's not a bad smell either. It's way less harsh than the alcohol. It runs down your face and everything. It's just soft, like silky. I might be exaggerating it, but it don't feel harsh as alcohol. Press it in. I can already feel both sides, which this is the Ghost Bond and this is the Bold Hold. I can feel both sides lifting up just with the Bold Hold remover, actually. So let's just take our time. I do want it to be safely removed. See? If you feel any tension, While trying to take that lace off, stop and just be patient. Set it in. Feel the tension, that means it's something pulling. Just please stop. Keep pressing it in. You can take your sock and put alcohol on it. You could squirt it in this and dab it in there. This side is pretty much lifted. We're going to put a little dab on the ear. Up and there. That side's up. Side is up all the way. So now we're just going to worry about this side. We're just going to spray some more of that lace remover. The bow hole lace remover is safe, definitely, even for your ghost bond, because I don't know what's in there, but it definitely just lets you just slide it on out. Yeah, you just press it in. It's really not hard to take off your lace. You just gotta be careful. I mean, just take your time. So I just been pressing my fingers in, and that's already lifted. And boom. And the stocking cap came off right with it. Stocking cap out. So we're left with, this is glue along the whole hairline. We're going to take that off. We're going to take the sock and dab some alcohol in it. Just going to rub down. And it literally just starts removing that glue. It's tedious, but just take your time. You see, it's just rubbing off.
It comes right off though.
So yeah, as you can see, it's not hard at all to take your lace off and clean the lace. I've cleaned mine off and already installed another one. I'm about to do another video, so stay tuned for that. It's actually going to be for Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. And yeah,